Hi all, welcome back. So today we are going to learn about comparison of fractions. Now we have learned about the fractions. So today we are going to learn how to compare the fractions. So comparison of fractions we have to do in two ways. That is, we have to first compare the like fraction and the other one is unlike fraction. So we are going to learn the comparison between the like fraction and the unlike fractions. Now in the like fraction, denominators will be similar, so it is easier to compare. But whereas in unlike fraction, you have a process. After doing that process, you can find out which fraction is greater. So let me start with the like fraction. So let me take an example of 4 by 15 and 6 by 15. Now you can see here that the denominators are both same. Now because the denominators are same, now which numerator, the number which is greater in numerator, that will be the greater. So for example, 4 by 15, 6 by 15. Because the denominators are same, check for the numerators. Now which is bigger, 4 or 6? 6 is bigger, so this fraction is greater. Let me take the other example. 25 by 39, 16 by 39. Now same process, you have to check the denominators. Now both the denominators are same, so now check for the numerator. So numerator 25, 16. Now which is bigger? 25 is bigger. So 25 by 39 is bigger fraction than 16 by 39. So because it is easy, just you have to compare the numerators and see which is greater, and you have to place the greater than symbol. Now let's move on to the unlike fractions. Now unlike fraction. Now in this unlike fraction, for example 4 by 5, 1 by 3. Now check here, both the denominators are different. So here you have to take the LCM of the denominators. So LCM is, because you have a co-prime numbers here, you can directly multiply the denominators and say that their product is a LCM. Now after doing this, now you have to make the denominators equal over here, that is 4 by 5. So multiply with such a number so that you will get the denominator as 15. That is, if I multiply 3 in numerator and 3 in denominator, I am going to get 12 by 15. So after multiplying with 3 in numerator and denominator, I got denominator as 15. So move on to the next one, 1 by 3. Now multiply with number such that you get in denominator 15. So 3 into 5 gives me 15. So I am going to take multiply in numerator also 5. So 5 by 15. Now both the denominators are same. Now it is easy to compare. So 12 by 15 and 5 by 15. Now as I told you in the previous problem, if you have denominators same, you have to check for the numerators. Now 12 is bigger, so 12 by 15 is bigger. So therefore 4 by 5 is bigger than 1 by 3. Yes, so let me give another example so that you can understand. So what I am going to do is, I am going to take 6 by 7, 2 by 9. So as I told you, if it is a co-prime, just multiply those two numbers, so that will be the LCM. Okay, so what you have to do, take 6 by 7, multiply with such a number so that you will get in the denominator 63. Now 7 into 9 gives me 63. So the same number 9 should be multiplied in numerator. So 6 9s is 54. In the same way, take 2 by 9, multiply with such a number so that you will get the denominator as 63. So 9 7s is 63. With the same 7 multiply in the numerator, so that is 14. Now you can see that both the denominators are same. So just write down 54 by 63, 14 by 63. Now both the denominators are same. Check which numerator is bigger. 54 is bigger, so this fraction is bigger. So don't leave the problem here itself. You have to go check what is the initial fractions. Write down those fractions and just mention which is greater. So this will be a complete problem. If you leave here, it will be not relevant to the question. So just write down the earlier one. 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 9. Hope you have understood. Hope you have understood it, but there is a little complicated compared to it. So I just want to say you an easy method to compare the unlike fraction. As in the case of the unlike fraction, let me take 3 by 5, 2 by, let me take a co-prime number, it will be easy. So I am taking 7, okay. So normally I showed you in the previous one that you have to take the LCM, yes, and then make the denominator same and then compare. So this is an easy way for competitive exam. Doing such a long process, it will be difficult. So it's an easy way. What you have to do is just cross multiply. Yes. So 3 into 7. So this 5 goes in that way. So 2 into 5. So 3 7s is 21 is 10. Now which is greater? 21 is greater. So therefore 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 7. Yes. So let me explain once again by taking another example. So let me take 4 by 9, 3 by 5. Same process. You have to take 4 by 9, 3 by 5. Just cross multiply. 4 into 5, 3 into 9. 4 5s is 20, 3 9s is 27. Now which is bigger? 27 is bigger. Therefore, the second fraction, so 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 5. Yes. So in this way you can find out which is greater. So this will be applicable when you are going for the competitive exams. Right. Yes. So this is the comparison process. Now if at all you find this number is number is greater, that means that the first fraction will be greater. In this case you got the second digit greater, that means the second fraction will be greater. If at all you get the same numbers, like example when you are cross multiplying, you got it as 10 equal to 10. So in that case, so you can write that both the fractions are equal. Yes. So hope you have understood the lengthy one and the short one. If you have liked this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.